Welcome, today in front of me Realme C21Y, and I'll show you how to change screen record sound settings on this device. So first, open the notification bar and go here to the screen record icon. Tap on the icon, and here you will see the record audio section. Now just tap here and you can, for example, switch your sound settings to the microphone, to use microphone while you recording the video, to the device audio, or you can also select the both at the same time, the device audio and microphone option, and just here tap to the switcher to turn on and select one from these options, and then just go to tap to start. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.